Welcome to Excel Magic Trick number 996. Hey, if you want to download this workbook 994 to 996, click on the link below the video. In this video, we have two data sets that have empty cells. And we want to highlight all the empty cells at one time and then see how to enter data. So this first one, we can use the F5 key. Remember, our goal is to go to all of the empty cells. So F5 is the go to, and down here special is where all the cool tricks are. Blanks, click OK. That highlights them. So go to always goes somewhere and highlights these things. Now notice the active cell is right there. I can hit enter and toggle through all of these non-contiguous cells or cells that are highlighted that are not next to each other. So if you knew what you wanted, I could type a 23, and then a 12, and then a 34, and a 54. Always looking, and finally the last one. So you could toggle through cells that are not next to each other using enter. Another way we could use this trick, and the keyboards are great, and I use those all the time. I think that if we wanted to go to special, we could go home and then find and select and go to special. I never do that. I do the F5 special. And now I want to go to blanks. Click OK. Now in this situation, here's a data set. And I really want to fill in the whole column with dates. So this date means that all of these cells were on that particular date. Now notice the active cell is right there. And every one of these cells, if we had a formula that looked one above, it would work perfectly, meaning I want 523, 523, 523. Here, if I had a formula that looked one above, it would get the 24. Here, it would get the 26, and here it would get the 26 from that cell. So watch this, equals up arrow. And now I want to enter this formula into all the highlighted cells to populate all the cells with whatever you have in the active cell. That's that one right there. I hold Control and Enter. And just like that, I've entered and completed my data set. Now, if you didn't want formulas, you could copy, home, paste specials, or a really great trick. You point to the edge. This is paste special value trick. And right-click the edge, drag away a little bit, and then drag back. And a secret message pops up. Copy here as values only. All right, we'll see you next trick.